I'm here with another design team project for Diamond Dies. For those who don't know, Diamond Dies makes steel rule dies in various shapes and sizes for all your crafting needs. So be sure and check their shop out. I'll put their link down below for you, as well as to their Facebook page and YouTube channel. Um, you'll want to know that we're having a Halloween hop coming up, so you might want to participate in that. A lot of chances to win some prizes, plus see all the great creations that our other designers have for you as well. This past hop, we had one of our winners, Crafty Cake 7, who's Gloria. She won twice, so you never know when it's your lucky day. So be on the lookout for that. And also on our Facebook page, we're having a month-long challenge for the month of October, and you're to use one of the dies, flower dies, to make a project and submit it on Facebook. And there will be 4 prizes given out, so you might want to try that, especially if you have the dies. Why not do it? And even if you have to buy one, buy one. What the heck, it's cheap, and if you use my code there with your purchase, you'll get a discount and free shipping, so why the heck not? So anyhow, let me show you the products that I use first, and then I'll show you my project. The first item, and these are from our Halloween collection, that I used was the witch's boot right there. And you get 2 of those, large and small. I used the candy collection. You get 4 pieces of candy there, and I used the 2 candy corn. You get bats, 3 in the bat collection. This is the spooky tree. Really love this cute tree. This is the tombstones, and you get 2 different ones there. And then from last year's Halloween, I used the spiderweb die, which I love this die. It cuts so beautifully and so intricately. It's an awesome die. And then not from any Halloween collection, but from Diamond Dies, I used the Labels 2 top note nesting die. And I used one of these, and I'll show you how I used it in 2 different ways on this project. So I wanted to create a home decor piece this time, and let me show you what I came up with. This is called the Cemetery Inn, and it was a lot of fun creating, actually. I got the paper mache piece at Walmart for a couple of bucks, and when I first saw it, I was like, what am I going to do with that? I don't know. I'll bring it home and I'll figure it out. So it sat here for a couple of days before something finally hit me what I wanted to do with it. So I went ahead and I first covered it with the purple paper that you see there. And that's just some from Halloween past. And then I added the paper around the rooftop, and it's kind of a glittery paper. It's really pretty. Love it. So I added that on all the way around the edges. And then I decided that I needed some rooftop like shingles or whatever you want to call it along the top here. So I used that top note die, and basically instead of using the entire die, I just cut off, you know, a portion of the bottom of one and used it there to create those edges. I also used the same top note die to create the door shape down here. If you can kind of see it there, I just cut it to what size I needed it to be. So I went ahead and added the rooftops and the door, and these candy corn, the small and the 2 larger, are from the candy collection die set. So I used them as windows, and I added some ghosts in them, as you can see. I added a cat actually down in this one, and a candle. I used the spider web die in many places down there. I used it here in the opening of the door. The stickers that you see are from a collection I had that I just used them for that purpose, and that's where it got the name of the Cemetery Inn. I used the tree die here in the back here, and I have the bats all over, and I actually double layered them, so there's actually 2 together to make the one, so it kind of looks like the wings are in motion. The spiders I glittered. You can see those there. I added the chimney because it did not have a chimney. I just made one because I wanted the witch to have a place to go down the chimney. So I made her little feet there with her striped socks. I did glitter the spiders. I don't know if I mentioned that. I have the tombstones down here from the tombstone die. I used white paint just to write on them, and I put a little ghost there popping out from behind. And then this is moss, which sits on a piece of chipboard that I covered with black cardstock just to give it a base, to glue the other item on that I had there. And then I went around all the edges with the black glitter just to give it some definition and some pizzazz. I also made the window panes using the glitter because obviously it didn't have them. So that brings me to the point that when you're working with diamond dyes, try to look at that dye and see, excuse me, what other ways you can use them, because it makes your dye twice as valuable if you can use it for like Halloween and then turn around and use it for a window and then turn around and maybe use it something for Christmas. So try to think outside the box when using the dyes, and that will make your dyes far more valuable. I hope you enjoyed this project. I have another home decor project coming up soon. I hope you shop at Diamond Dyes and take advantage of all the beautiful dyes that you can purchase, as well as the discounts that are offered. And I'll see y'all next time. Do what makes you happy. Bye for now.